Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, welcome back to online classes, which is arranged by BMC School, and I'm very happy again you all came for online class, and we are meeting after a long time. So today is 28th January 2020 2022, and we are going to see mathematics. In mathematics, we are going to see an interesting lesson. But before going to start our class, I would like to introduce our team, our officers who are really doing hard work to arrange all these online classes. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Ramnath Sontakke from Shri Crossroad, Mumbai Public School. I would like to say thanks to our administrative officer, Mrs.Veena Sonawane madam, nodal bit officer, Mr.Sharad Kurhade sir, our nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Paul ma'am, assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur madam, and our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule sir. Students, let's start. But before going to start our topic of mathematics, I would like to ask some questions to you. But before going to start the question, we should start our lecture with good thought. So today's
Speak,
thought is,
speak when your words are more beautiful than slime.
yeah, silence. What is the today's thought? Speak when your words are more beautiful than silence. What is the meaning of this thought? If you want to say anything to other, so think before speaking. If you think that your words are really good, more beautiful than silence, that time only you speak. Students, you know that if you say something to other people, your words can hurt them. Your words can make or create a problem. So at that time, if you really think that I should not talk, or if you really think that if I'll say something, definitely good thing will happen, that time only you speak. Otherwise, your silence is more beautiful. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, students, what do you see in this screen?
There is shapes.
Okay, there are shapes. What type of shapes are they?
Rectangle, circle, triangle, square, heart,
Okay,
diamond.
okay, good. Very nice. You're Shamita, na?
Yes.
Very good. So, all these are called what type of figures or what type of diagrams?
It the all are shapes, no?
Shapes, yeah. These all are geometrical
Yes.
shapes, or you can say geometrical figures. Now, Shamita, tell me what type of geometrical shapes do you see here?
Rectangle, square, triangle. Square, no, sir, wait. It is not square. Square, triangle, and rectangle.
Very good, excellent. The first one, which is there in the red color, that is rectangle. Second one is square, and the third one is triangle. Okay. Now,
So,
students, whenever I'll ask the question, that time you answer, and in between you can Reply to me. Now tell me, what type of figure is here?
There is square.
Is it square? Do you
Yes.
really think that this is square?
Yes.
No. Any other?
No, sir, it is rectangle.
Yes, it is what? Rectangle. Okay, student, tell me what is the difference between this diagram and this diagram?
So, first one, it is a big, there is not a color, and second
Okay,
is yellow color.
very good. Excellent, excellent. So, students, the first diagram which you see, there you can see only four sides. Okay, and it is closed diagram. Okay, so only boundary is there. What is there? Boundary is there. And if you see the second diagram, it is of yellow colored, means inside that diagram you can see your yellow color over there. It means this diagram is having boundary also, and the internal part of this diagram, it is colored.
Color.
Okay, so the first diagram which you can see here, which is closed, or you can say it is closed by boundary, so that is called, it is having perimeter. And the second diagram which you see there, that is having boundary also, and the inside part which is colored, that is what? Area in mathematics. Okay, so students, today we are going to see about perimeter and area. So before going to start, I would like to say about, or I would like to tell about what is perimeter. Today we are going to see what is perimeter and how to find out the perimeter of geometrical shapes or anything. So first of all, we'll get to know about perimeter. In mathematics, perimeter means what? It is the total distance around the outside of 2D shape. 2D shape means any type of shape which is having, or which can see, uh, you can say it is a plane. What you can say, it is a
Plane.
plane. Okay, so boundary means what? If you start walking around this diagram, okay, and if you complete one round, it means what you are doing? You are walking around the diagram, or you are walking around such type of rectangular ground. So it is what? It is called perimeter. Or you can say perimeter means what? It is the boundary of closed plane figure. It may be your rectangle, it may be your square, it may be your triangle, it may be your parallelogram, or it may be any type of quadrilateral. Okay. Do you play on the ground, beta? Do you play on the ground? Yes, Shamita. Okay, so you can see a ground has boundary. Okay, where you play inside this diagram, inside the ground, but ground has boundary. Okay, which you can calculate or find out the length of total ground. Okay, so that's that thing we are going to learn. So
So
perimeter
we
means
can
what?
play on the ground. There was some network issue.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good. You play on the ground. So there you can see the boundaries. Am I right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Chai, chai.
Yes. So perimeter
But
means
if we
what?
stand around the outside of
Ha, ha.
us, let's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
wild
Don't,
let's
don't, don't don't read beta. What I said, whenever I will ask the question, that time you answer. Okay. So perimeter means what? The distance around the outside of shape. Any shape. Now which type of shape is here?
Here is it is a rectangle shape.
Very good. It is a rectangle. How did you understand, or how did you know that this is a rectangle? Can you tell?
What, sir?
How did you know that this is a rectangle?
Sir, there was there was like upper is same and down is same. That is why, and
Oh,
at there square has the same all the same side.
okay, okay. Now we are learning about the perimeter, and we are learning about this diagram. Students, this is rectangle. Why it is rectangle? Because rectangle has length and width, or you can say breadth. What you can say? Breadth. So a rectangle has two opposite sides, means this one and this one, or you can say this one and this one. So a rectangle has two opposite sides which are of same length. Same length means what? If it is of 5 centimeter, so this will be also how much?
It is a length. It is
5
five
centimeter.
centimeter.
Okay. If it is 4 centimeter, means if width is 4 centimeter, so what is the length of this width?
4 centimeter.
Very good, 4 centimeter. It means your rectangle has two opposite sides which are of same length or equal length. Now we are going to learn about first how to calculate or how to find out perimeter of a rectangle. Now students, you know that rectangle has,
Perimeter is equal to length plus
yeah,
breadth.
wait, don't read. Perimeter has two lengths and two width, or you can say it is breadth. What you can say? It is breadth. Okay. So when you calculate or when you find out the perimeter of a rectangle, that time what we have to do? We have to add all the sides length. Means if I want to know what is the length or what is the perimeter of this rectangle, that time I need to add all the sides length. Okay. Now here P stands for what? Perimeter. Now tell me how many lengths are here in this figure? Yes.
For where?
In this rectangle, how many lengths are there?
2.
Very good. Very good. So there are two lengths. Okay. In perimeter, what we do? We add all the sides of a diagram. So in this rectangle, there are two lengths. So that's why I wrote here 2L. L means what? L stands for length.
Length
And how many widths are there?
2.
So I add two widths with the two lengths. Or in short, you can say how many twos are common here? Yes, Shamika. Any other student? Tell me how many, what is the common over here?
Sir, length and breadth, they all are 2 is the same.
Yes, two is same. So what you will do, the thing which is common, you will take out that two, and the things which are not common, you will write in the bracket. That is what is not common here? L.
Length plus width. Breadth
Plus,
and width.
plus, put plus sign because we have not taken plus. Plus what? Width. So one more, there is one more way to write this formula. That is what? 2 in the bracket length plus width, or you can say breadth. Length plus width, or you can say breadth. Now students, we'll see how to find out the perimeter of this diagram. Now tell me, in this first diagram, what is the length? It is
Length is 60 centimeter.
centimeter, and width, or you can say
Breadth,
breadth, is how much?
breadth is 40 centimeter.
Okay, if you want to find out the perimeter of this rectangle, what you will do? You will add all the lengths. Okay, you will.
Yes.
Yes, so what is the first length here?
Length is
60.
60.
60 centimeter. And what is breadth here?
40 centimeter.
Okay, plus what is your length?
Yes.
60 centimeter. And what
40
is
centimeter.
40 centimeter? Now students, if I add
Bye.
all the lengths of the sides of this rectangle, what will be my sum? If I add 60 plus 40 plus 60 plus 40, what is my answer? It is 200. Okay, but the unit is given in what? Centimeter or meter?
200 is breadth.
No, no, no,
No,
no, no,
no,
no.
centimeter.
Yes, the answer will come in centimeter. Students, always remember this. When you find out the perimeter of any diagram, that time you add all the lengths of sides of the diagram, and whatever the unit is given, if it is meter, write there meter. If it is centimeter, write there centimeter. If it is kilometer, then write there kilometer. Don't forget to write the unit. So what is your answer?
400.
200, 200 centimeter. Okay. Now after this, we'll find out the perimeter of this diagram. Okay.
Sir, I can tell you.
Yes, tell me what is the length here?
Length is 10.
No. Which one is the bigger? Which one is the bigger? That is your length. That is 15 centimeter. And
Sir,
what is your width?
10 centimeter.
Very good, very good. That time only you can say it is a rectangle, because all sides are
Because
not of
we
equal
want to do
length.
just we want to
Okay.
do add.
Yes, you need to add all the lengths and breadth of this diagram. So right there, first
15
15. Right,
plus
right, second length
10
15. What is
plus
the first
10
breadth? And
plus
what
10.
is very good. So what is the sum of this? What is the addition of this? It is
50.
very good.
50,
Now what I will write, meter or centimeter?
50 centimeter.
Okay, why I will write centimeter there? Because
At
unit is
the
given.
on the square there is written centimeter.
Yes, because the length and breadth are given in centimeter. Okay, after this, now students, you all know how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle.
Yes,
But
I know. Sir, we
but
know that.
for your standard, there are word problems. What are there? Word problems. What are there?
Word problem.
Word problems. Okay. Now always they will not give you to they will not give you give you only numbers. They will ask you to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, they will give the question in words. At that time, You need to read the question. So, Shamika, read the question.
Yes, sir, wait. Yes, a regular filled.
Rectangular. Rectangular.
Uh, yes, sir. A rectangular shape. A rectangular field is 160-meter long and 100-meter wide. Find its perimeter.
Okay, what they are asking to find out?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. Now tell me, what is the length of this diagram or this ground or field?
160-meter.
Very good. It is 160 meter.
And
What
breadth is equal to 100 centimeter.
or you can say breadth or you can say width.
Width.
It is how much?
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter. Now students, you all know about the length and breadth which is given over there in the question. Now we will create a formula and we will put the value which is given there in the question in the formula, and we'll find out the perimeter of this rectangular field. So perimeter of this rectangular field is, how many lengths are there? Can you tell me? There are two lengths. Okay. So two length plus how many widths are there or how many breadths are there? There are two breadths. But as I told you, the thing which is common there, that you have to take outside the bracket, and in the bracket you have to write down the things which are not common. That is what? Length plus width. Now you have created a formula. What is the formula? 2 in the
2
bracket.
in the bracket L plus W.
L means what?
Length.
Length. And W means what?
Breadth.
Width, or you can say breadth. Now tell me, I will write here only. Write down the formula 2, which is common. What is the length over here?
Length is 160.
Very good. Plus, what
160
is
plus
the uh, what is the
100 centimeter.
very good. Now write down these two. Now students, there is multiplication between 2 and the bracket. So put their multiplication sign. Now tell me, what is the addition of 160 and 100?
160 and 260.
Very good. 260. Now carry out the multiplication of 260 and 2. 260 2
0
za.
0, 6 2 are 12, 2 carry will be 1, 2 1s are 2.
So it is what? 520.
520.
Okay. Now the unit is given there. So sorry, but it is meter, not centimeter. Okay.
Okay.
It is meter. 100 meter is there.
200, 520 centimeter.
No, no,
No
no, no.
meter.
Unit is given there in
Meter.
meter. So what is your answer?
Meter.
520.
520 meter.
So what is the perimeter of this rectangular field?
Perimeter is 520 meter.
Very good. Excellent. Now the formula which we had created. Okay. So what is that formula? Perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 in the bracket length plus B stands for breadth, or you can say width. Did you understand about the formula? Yes. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes.
The perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket length
In the
plus
bracket.
breadth.
In the bracket. What do you have to say? 2
In the
in the bracket.
bracket length
Length.
plus breadth. L
Very good.
plus P.
Very good, very good. Now, the next topic we are going to see, that is what about the square. Now we are going to see how to find out the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square means what? Again, same thing we have to do here. Means we have to add all the sides of we have to add the length of all the sides of this square. Okay, means we have to add this side PS plus side SR, which is over here. Then we have to add this side QR, and we have to add this side. So which side is that? That is PQ. Students, square means what? A diagram or the geometrical shape which is having four equal sides whose length are same. If it is 4 centimeter, this is also 4
4
centimeter,
centimeter.
and this is also 4 centimeter, and this is also
4
4 centimeter.
centimeter.
Okay, so we have to add all the sides of this square. Then only we'll get what is the perimeter of this square. Now, students, we'll see more about the square. Now, you all know that a square has how many sides?
4.
4.
Okay, they are of equal lengths or they are not of equal lengths?
They are equal length.
Yes,
Yeah.
they all are of equal length. Okay,
Yes.
so here you can say about the perimeter of the square is what? We have to add all the sides. We have to find out the sum of length of all the sides of this diagram. Means what I have to do? Which length is this? A. That I have to write here. What is this? A. Again, I have to add
A.
this. What is it?
A.
Again, A. What is this?
Again A.
Beta, why A has taken here? The meaning of this A is here. It is showing that all the sides of these squares are of equal length. Understood? Now, when we add
Yes.
all these sides, that time you can understand one thing from here. What you can understand? A square has how many sides? 4.
4 sides.
Okay. So instead of adding 4 sides together, I have to multiply 4 with what? What is the side which is common here?
4 multiplied by A.
Very good. 4 multiple by A.
A.
Right? So we'll see
Yes.
how to find out the perimeter of square. But first of all, we'll add all the sides. Then we'll try to put those values in the formula, or we'll create the formula. Now, what is this? It is a square. What is the length of one side of this square?
4
4.
centimeter.
So here you can say side is equal to how many centimeter?
4 centimeter.
Okay, very good, very good. So add all the
4
sides.
centimeter.
Add all 4 sides. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, because there are 4 sides. Now, if I add all these 4 sides, what will be my answer? Yes,
Hello, sir.
yes. What is the addition of this? If I add 4 for 4 times, so my answer will be
Yes.
how much?
16.
16.
16.
Okay. What I'm going to write here? Centimeter or meter?
Here we write here 6 centimeter.
Very good. So what is the perimeter of this square? 16 centimeter. Okay.
Centimeter.
Yes.
Yes.
But students, you can do one more thing here. Okay. You can do one more thing here that I will tell you. Instead of adding all the sides, as I told you, how many sides a square has?
A square has a 4 sides.
Okay. And what is the length of one side?
6.
It is 4. It is
This
4.
one is a 4.
Yes. So if I carry out multiplication between 4 sides and length of one side, then also I will get I will get what? 16, because 4 fours are 16. Okay. So instead of adding all the sides length, you just carry out the multiplication. You write 4 first and multiply whatever the length is given there. That is what? 4. 4 fours are how much? 16. So in this way, you can find out the perimeter of this diagram also. Now tell me, what is the length of one side here?
One side it is a 8.
8 centimeter. Very good. 8 centimeter. Now, as I told you, how many sides a square has?
4 side. Then 4 multiplied by 8.
8. So 4 eights are how much?
4 8 are 8. 1 that 2 6 8 7 5 4 that 32. 32.
Very good. 32. Now, is it in meter or centimeter?
32 centimeter.
So don't forget to write unit. What is whatever
Centimeter.
the thing is given, you have to write same thing with the answer. Okay, if it is meter, then write meter. If it is centimeter, then write centimeter. After this, again, we'll think about the square only. Now this is also side of a square. This is also side of square. This is also side of square. This is also side of square. So what formula we are creating here? What is the perimeter of a square? How many sides a square has? 4. Multiple by, and what is it? Side.
Side.
So what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a square?
4 multiplied by side.
4 multiple by side. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now after this, we'll see the word problems. Okay, we'll find out the perimeter of the given square. What is the perimeter of a square whose side is equal to 11 centimeter? So tell me, what is the length of one side?
11 centimeter.
Good, very good. 11 centimeter. Side is equal to
Then
11
4 multiplied by
centimeter.
11.
Wait. You have to write here perimeter of which perimeter we are finding?
Perimeter of square.
Very good. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiple by side. This is our formula. 4 multiple by side. Then put equal to sign. Write here 4 multiple by. Tell me, what is the side over here?
4 multiplied by 11.
Very good. 11. Then write, put here
44
equal to sign.
centimeter.
No. 4 11s are 44.
Centimeter.
So what is the perimeter of this square?
44 centimeter.
Excellent. Excellent. Means you people are understanding how to find out the perimeter of square.
Someone
Now,
I
student.
will do. Sir, I can
Yes.
do this one.
Okay. First of all, you read the question.
Okay. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 centimeter.
Okay. Shamika, tell me, what is the length of side?
Side length of side is 5 centimeter.
Very good. Now, tell me what is the formula to find out the
Perimeter of
perimeter,
square.
perimeter of square?
4
So,
multiplied by side.
very good. 4 multiple by
Side.
side. Good. Now, Shamika, tell me what is the side given over here?
4 multiplied by 5 centimeter.
So, what is your answer? Tell me now.
20 centimeter. 5
4
4 are
fives
20.
are, yes. Now, is it in meter or centimeter?
5 20 centimeter.
Very good. Excellent. It is 20 centimeter. So, in this way, you can find out the perimeter of square. Now, the next thing which we are going to see, that is what? What is the formula which we have made here or created here? What is the perimeter of
Perimeter is
square?
equal to 4 square. 4
No, no,
sides.
no. 4 multiple by side. What is the formula?
4 multiples by side.
Or you can say 4s. What you can say? 4s. S stands for what? Sides. Okay. Okay. After these, we'll see about how to find out the perimeter of triangle. Students, can you tell me how many sides are there in this diagram? Yes.
What, sir?
How many sides are there in this diagram, in this triangle? There are 3
3.
sides, right? Which
Yes,
is
3.
the okay? What is the name of first side?
It is a PQR.
No, 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 no. First side is PQ. Second side is what?
QR.
And third side is what?
RP.
RP, or you can say PR.
PR.
Okay. Now, student. Okay, okay, okay. Now, after this, tell me what is the length of this side?
Sir, 4 centimeter.
What is the length of this QR?
8 centimeter.
And what is the length of this PR?
6 centimeter.
Okay, so in perimeter, what we do, we add all the lengths of the
Side.
diagram, sides. Okay, now what is the first? 4 plus. What is second? 8 plus. What is third? 6.
4. 6.
What is the answer? What is the perimeter of this triangle?
Right. 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 centimeter.
Yes, 18 centimeter. In short, what you people are doing here, you are just adding the length of all the sides of diagram. Now, students, will find out the perimeter of this triangle. So when you find out the perimeter of a triangle, that time what you are going to do, you are going to add all the
Sir,
sides.
I can
Means,
take one book for
okay,
adding.
just a minute, better, just a minute. Okay, you are going to just add the length of all the sides. Means PQ plus QR plus PR. Okay, means what? What is the length of PQ? Yes, tell me.
PQ has 5 centimeter.
Plus, what is QR
6 centimeter.
and what is PR?
PR has a 7 centimeter.
Okay, if I add all these lengths, what answer I will get here?
Yes. 7, 7, 14, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 centimeter.
No, no. Carry out this addition one more time.
Okay, sir.
Will
13,
you get 20?
16, 18. 18 centimeter.
Yes, 18 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this triangle?
What, sir?
What is the perimeter of this triangle?
18 centimeter.
Very good. It is 18 centimeter. After this, now I will explain better. Whoever chorus sound is coming or the background sound is coming, please try to tell them to talk in low voice. Okay. So when you find out the perimeter of this triangle, that time, what you need to do? You need to again add all the lengths of sides of this triangle. So students, you have to write like this: perimeter of, this is the symbol of triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. What is the name of this triangle? Triangle A, B, and C.
C.
So what is the formula to find out the perimeter of this triangle? Sum of all sides.
Right.
Actually, it should be sum of all the lengths of sides. Okay. So what is the first side here?
4
AB.
8.
And what is the second side here? BC.
BC.
And what is the third side here?
CA.
CA, or you can say AC also. Huh? You can say AC or you can say CA. Okay, that is same. But when we add all these sides, that time, instead of writing the name of the lane, you take the value which is given there. What is the length of AB? 10 centimeter. What
10
is the
centimeter.
what is the length of BC? 15.
15 centimeter.
And what is the length of AC? 14 centimeter. If you
14.
add all these lanes together, your answer will come 39. Okay. And 39 centimeter is the perimeter of this
Square.
triangle. It is not square.
Yes. Sorry.
What is it? It is
39
triangle.
triangle.
Okay. Now students, hereafter we'll see the formula which we have created here. Perimeter of a triangle is what?
A plus
A
B
plus
plus C.
B plus C. Okay, first of all, you take down the small, then bigger than the first one, and at last, what you have to take? The longer one or the bigger one. Is it clear? So, what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a triangle? That is A plus
A
B
plus
plus
B
C.
plus C.
Okay, now it's time for evaluation. Now, I will ask you to find out the question answer of this question. How much wire will be needed? Wire, you know, wire which you have at your home. For electricity, we need wire. Okay. So how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle which is 7 meter long and 4 centimeter wide?
So 7 plus 4 we want to do add, no?
First of all, you have to write what is length. What is length here?
7 centimeter.
Good. What is your breadth?
The breadth is 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. Or you can say width also. Okay. Now, what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle?
Add.
No, tell me the formula. Perimeter.
Perimeter is equal to
Ah,
perimeter of square is equal to
rectangle, not
so
square, is equal to
is equal to
2.
A plus B 2
No, we
length
are,
plus B length
yes,
plus
we are
breadth.
finding, wait, we are finding the perimeter of a rectangle. That time you know that you should just think about the rectangle. Rectangle has two opposite sides which are of equal length. Okay, there is a length and there is breadth, or you can say there is a width. So you have to write in the bracket length plus breadth, or you can say width. Understood? Now
Yes.
Shamika, tell me what is the length here?
2 7.
7
But
centimeter
7
plus
plus 4.
4. So now tell me what is the answer of this? 2 multiplied by 7 plus 4 is how much?
L
11.
plus, yes, 11.
Okay. Now tell
Yes.
me 2 11s are, or you can say 11 twos are how much?
11 twos are 22.
Okay. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle?
22 centimeters.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. After this, we'll find out the perimeter of second diagram. Now I will read this question. You just try to understand what we have to find out. If the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? Means what we have to find out here? Perimeter of
Centimeter.
rectangle. What is the length here?
Length
20 meter.
is 20
20 meter.
meters.
And what is width here?
Breadth is 12 meters.
Okay, what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle?
Perimeter of
Rectangle
rectangle.
is what? 2 in the bracket,
Rectangle
then
is equal to 2 bracket L plus B, length plus breadth.
breadth, or you can say width. Now tell me, now put the value 2 multiple by what is the length here?
2, yes, length is 7. No, no, no. Length,
Length
length
is
is 20.
20. And what is the breadth here, or what is the width here?
12,
12
12
meter.
centimeter. Meter,
Okay.
sorry.
Now 2 multiple by what is the sum of 20 and 12?
It is 32.
Okay. Now 32 twos are how much?
32 to that. 32 to that. 2 to the 4. 3 to the 6. 64.
And 2 threes are. So what is your
60.
perimeter of this rectangle?
जब तो बोल रहे थे ले
What is the perimeter of this rectangle?
ले
64.
64 centimeter. Meter, sorry, meter.
64 meter. Now you just tell me orally. You just tell me orally. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? If length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter.
Okay, wait. 2 length plus width. 2 to 9 plus 3 bracket. 2
Yes.
2 multiply by 9 3 9 10 11 12 12 12 to the 24. So 24
Yeah.
centimeter.
What is the perimeter of this rectangle? It is 24.
24 centimeter.
Excellent. Very good. Excellent. You are answering very nicely. Very good. Now tell me, what is the perimeter of this diagram?
Okay. 2 L plus W length plus width 2 bracket what is length 20 and breadth is also 20 no? Then 2 bracket
Actually, it is a square, beta. It is a square. When the all sides are equal, that time what we do? 4 multiple by side.
yes
So 4 multiple by what is the side here?
20
So 4 20s are, or you can say 24s are how
24
much?
the 24 the 80
Very good. So what is the perimeter of this diagram?
80 centimeter.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. After this, tell me what is the perimeter of this square?
4
4
multiply by
multiple by 19.
19 fours are na 19
Ah,
fours 9 ones are 9 to 8 9 threes are 27 9 fours are 36 6 carry will be 3 4 1 4 ones are 4 5 6 7 76
Very good. 76 centimeter or meter?
centimeter. Centimeter.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Now tell me, what is the perimeter of this triangle? What is the formula? A plus
A
B
plus B.
plus C. What is A here?
A is 6. 3.
3. 3. B is
B is 8.
6. And
6.
in the place of C, you have to take the bigger one.
Okay, 8.
What is the perimeter?
6, 3, 9. Okay, 9, 8, 9, 9, 18. 17 centimeter.
17
Centimeter.
centimeter. Very good. Now, I want other people. If other people are there, please answer. Now we'll just find out the perimeter of this square. Actually, it is a square, beta, because all sides are of equal length. So what is the side here? What is the length of one side? That is
4
25
multiplied
centimeter.
by side.
So what is 4 multiplied by 25?
25. 25 for the 5 for the 20, 0 carry will be 2, 4 2 the 8, 9, 10. 100. 100 centimeter.
Very good. The answer of this question is, what is the
100
perimeter of this diagram? That is 100 centimeter.
centimeter.
Now students, this is for you people for homework. Okay, means you have to find out the perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle also. Okay, this is
Then.
homework for you people. You can take screenshot of this, and this is also homework. You just find out the perimeter of all these geometrical
Sir, I
shapes.
didn't take first one.
Okay, you can take better. Take first one. Have you
Wait,
taken?
sir. That's not happening. Screenshot.
Okay, but I'll send in the group.
Sir, it is not happening yet.
Okay,
So,
okay. Let it be. Let it be. I will send this in the group. Your
sir, I'm
teacher
not
will
in the group.
send better. Don't worry. Your teacher will send. And this is also homework. Okay, student. Did you understand all the things?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, very good. So I'm very happy you all listened it very carefully and you answered all the questions. Thank you for being here for online class
But, sir,
and take care. Bye bye.
bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.